Let's move on now. The central government is likely to order another probe into the 1984 anti-Sikh riots in Delhi. In fact, an order is likely after the 7th February Delhi Assembly polls, as the model code of conduct is in place at the moment in Delhi. The decision follows a meeting between a delegation of victims led by Shiromani Akali Dal leaders and Home Minister Rajnath Singh. Now, sources have told Headlines today that the SIT will base its probe on the Mathur Committee report, which was recently submitted to the Home Ministry. According to the report, there are 225 such cases which need a relook. The committee has reportedly said that in many cases crucial evidence was overlooked and there should be a fresh probe. The report says that though not much can be done in cases which have been disposed by various courts, a fresh probe needs to be carried out where the police closed the case despite evidence. Now, these, according to sources, could involve cases against Congress leaders Sajjan Kumar and Jagdish Tytler. Kamaljeet Kaur Sandhu is now joining us with more details on that story. Kamal, 30 years down the line, it would be quite a task for the special investigation team to probe or rather revisit some of those cases. Did the Mathur Committee report have anything to say on that front?
The Sikh delegation met Home Minister Rajnath Singh and they wanted some insurance on the investigations being done and obviously the recommendations of the committee. Manjeet Singh GK is with us. You tell us, you spoke to Rajnath Singh. What sort of assurance did he really give you? Obviously, there's the model code of conduct which is really on. The announcement cannot be done. But formally, has he told you anything about the SIT probe?
We have met, the delegation of Akali Dal has met Mr. Rajnath Ji, Home Minister. And a long-standing demand of the Sikhs and of Akali Dal. We thanked him for GP Mathur Commission and the recommendation from the sources. We have known that it has recommended for SIT. Rajnath Ji said that due to model code of conduct, I cannot spell out anything, though we have got the report. But I can assure you one thing, that justice will be done, and the justice delayed for 30 years. I think now it is time that
high-profile cases like the Sajjan Kumar case, the Jagdish Tytler case, will they also be reinvestigated and reopened?
I think without investigating these high-profile cases, the community will not be satisfied, because they were the main culprits who instigated the riots in Delhi. A few of them have already died. Bhagat has already died. Arjun Das has died. Now Dharamdas Shastri has died. Sajjan Kumar, Tytler and Kamal Nath. These are the people who should be thoroughly investigated.
But talking about the SIT probe, even through the sources, but definitely, do you believe that at a time when Delhi elections are on, that the model code of conduct is on, through this there would be a sway of both Shiromani Akali Dal and BJP very much there in the Delhi polls?
I don't think that this is any political issue for anybody. It is a fight for justice which we have been fighting for last 31 years. And the GP Mathur Commission was made 2.5 months back, and their report has come, and I think government must immediately announce without waiting, because it is...
Okay, just one quick word from the victim. आपको SIT प्रोब से क्या मतलब है? आपको लगता है कि 31 साल के बाद ये प्रोब बनाया गया है? आपको लगता है जस्टिस मिल पाएगा?
बिल्कुल मिलेगा, जस्टिस मिलेगा, क्योंकि जो नवंबर 1984 के कातिल हैं जिन्होंने नरसंहार करवाया, उनकी FIR दर्ज हुई है, गवाह हो गए, सब कुछ हो गया, मगर वो एक हिरन मारने वाला जेल में जा सकता है, और जिन्होंने 10,000 से ज्यादा सिखों का नरसंहार किया हो, वो जेल में जगदीश टाइटलर और सज्जन कुमार क्यों नहीं जा सकते?
जस्टिस डिलेड इज जस्टिस डिनाइड। अ क्विक वर्ड फ्रॉम अ लेडी आउट हियर। आप ये बताइए, दोबारा से जांच होगी, आपको कोई भरोसा है? So obviously too overwhelmed. Obviously some of these people have been overwhelmed, but there is obviously a deliberate move now. They would want to cash in on this, especially in the Delhi elections, but at this point of time, this is more of an emotional value for all these people who've come here and met Home Minister Rajnath Singh.
Yes, absolutely. We can certainly understand the feelings of one of the victims there who was too overwhelmed to speak there to Kamaljeet Kaur Sandhu. But yes, clearly it also at a time when Delhi elections are just round the corner, many will question the timing of this news coming out of the Home Ministry.